Well, hi everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the toe protectors and the metatarsal ones for the bottom of my foot. These are by eProda, and they're for bunions, hammer toes, and plantar fascias. And I'm really getting my toe is my left foot. My toes are kind of leaning towards the left, and I'm trying to get it to straighten out and everything. So I got the toe separators. And then I got these, and these are also for hammer toe, bunion, and plantar fascias. But I'm going to open them up so you can see them. I'm not going to show you my toes. Ugliest things that you've seen since the war, whichever way you've seen, or all of them. The answer is toes. But I had fun taking dancing lessons, so I'm not going to complain. How are you this evening? I am fine. I know that your 4th was good. And get it all the way. Had a great day today. My grandkids were over, so I decided to do this after they all left. Had all of my grandkids today. So we had fun. I'm open. Just gotta cut them open. Let's open up these first. First of all, let's get inside there. It's clean. Come on. Just have to cut off. Let me say something without stabbing myself. No, I guess I'm gonna have to cut it all the way open. I'll put it in a plastic bag after, because I think this is for the. This is the. It says thank you. Read the back of this card before using this product. So these are the toes. Here's all the little pads and everything, and then for your feet. And these must be moisturized and everything, because they have some moisture to them, so that's why they're in these little plastic bags like this. These ought to be good. I'm really gonna like these. These are your toe separators. Right here, right here. And then these are the things that go around your toe. Can you see that? I think that light is in the way. And then these are the little foot pads. So that's one of them. And then the other one, and I'm going to put these in plastic bags so that they won't get messed up. The other ones were, and these again are by eProda. These are this one has instructions with it. And these are the toe separators. It tells you how to wear them. These are the toes, and then these are the separators here. So it tells you how to wear them and how to use them. So that's good. So I've got things for my feet. If anybody's interested, it'll be down in the comment section. And because I've known these feet for years, and they hurt sometimes, but they don't hurt going this way, to the left, but they're gonna hurt. So I got to try to save it before it happens. But anyway, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I will leave comments in the comment section as well, in my comment section. So if you look up, you'll see where it's all at. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.